Hi Nicole, I just wanted to tell you how very happy we are with the house that you've designed for us, you and Dan at Bespoke. It's everything we could have hoped for and more. Walk in the front door, we can look out the back to the golf course. We have lovely engagement with all the garden areas in our house. We've got downstairs decks now facing east, west and north. We've got this lovely upstairs area that was designed for us to capitalise on the views. We're very fortunate that while we're inside, we have so many outdoor areas with decks. This is one of my favourite decks because when we have cold winds, this deck here is completely out of the breeze, and in the winter it gets all the north sun and it swings around to the rear of the house as well. So when you want those cool summer breezes, you can get those as well. It's not really an ordeal to be stuck at home for us because we have such wonderful engagement with the outdoors. I find here with my kitchen that the kitchen is also a great working area. It's not a large kitchen by any means, but it's so well planned and thought out that it's a great space for working in. When I'm working at the kitchen bench, I can enjoy the beautiful views. It's so light and bright and airy. It truly is a happy place to be. I've also got this lovely fold-away work area where I can store all my heavy appliances. No need to reach down and pick them all up because they're quite heavy, some of them. I think you will also, another thing that we have found particularly useful while we've been at home, social distancing from everybody, is in the older part of the house, which was an original bedroom. We've now converted that into a study, a home office. Once again, we've put in lovely doors that open up out onto a deck where we capture all the morning sun and can enjoy the outdoor spaces.